Hi friends, today I am here to tell you 5 tricks of WhatsApp. First of all, those who didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. My first WhatsApp trick is audio listen. We all know to send voice messages. First we used to send our voice clip and then we used to hear it. But we can hear our voice clip before sending. For that, first you have to record your voice clip and then go back and then come back to your chat. Here you can see your voice clip and you can play that. If it is nice to hear, you can send it, but if it is not good, then you can delete it. This is your first trick. Our second trick is conversation tune off. If you were in a WhatsApp group, you would have experienced lots of messages. Some people would get irritated by hearing such messages sound. If you want to get rid of such sounds, you have to go to WhatsApp settings. There you will get notifications and then you can off conversation tone. Our third trick is read receipt conversation. Someone has the habit to off the read receipt. So if you send messages to them, you can't see the blue tick. So if you want to see that, you have to send 2 or 5-second voice clip to them. If they saw that voice message, you can see the blue tick. So by this way, you can find whether they read our messages or not. Now our fourth trick is improve security level. This trick will be very useful to you. In this trick, you can improve your WhatsApp security level. For this, you have to go to WhatsApp settings. There you will get an account option. In that, you have to enable two-step verification. In order to enable that, PIN and email will be asked. Remember that you should never forget your PIN. If you forget, you will not able to open your WhatsApp. So remember that. Enabling this, no one can open your WhatsApp. And if you want to log in your WhatsApp in other phone, this PIN will be asked. Enabling this, you will be saved from hacking. Then our fifth trick is fingerprint security. For this, go to WhatsApp settings, then go to privacy, then you have to enable your fingerprint. Your fingerprint will be automatically enabled in your WhatsApp. Only some phones has this fingerprint option. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment and share and press the bell button.